Yeah, hello. Please, I need your attention on this one. This site I'm about to show you is going to pay you $1 per referral into your PayPal account. So we are going to go into details after this short break. Alright, welcome back to that very short break. Remember, my name is Chidi, and I'm all about making money online is what gives me joy and is what suits me. If that's same to you, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button, and give this video a thumbs up. Like this video so that all other people will see it. Okay, what we are going to need is a Kiwi browser. Okay, it's flashing on the screen. Kiwi browser is what we are going to use for this tutorial. So you can go on to Play Store and download it, or I suggest and I most recommendedly recommend you download it on the website, or you go to AppKPO to download it. Alright, this is my dashboard. You can see it. This is my dashboard. This is my Ozone dashboard. See, I'm just giving you an overview. I'm giving you a walkthrough of my dashboard. See my earnings. Got my earnings, 25 cents, 25 cents, 25 cents. This is an overview. Okay, click the three dots, the three bar, so that you see how to earn. Alright, say all done, check back soon. I've completed my survey. Alright. And what I'm focusing on is this earn $1 for every invite and you invite. This is what I want to focus on. Earn $1 for every invite. Now, there are several ways to make money on Ozone.Ai, but I want to focus my attention on earn $1 for every invite, because I could literally earn thousands of dollars depending on the capacity of my audience and depending on how many that be able to sign up. You know, to me this one is very easy for me. It's literally easy for me. It's easier. I mean, there is no buying. You don't need to buy anything. You don't need to uh, do any there's no any other hidden cost or hidden task. It's just to place your link, and when people you invite they sign up, you earn $1. For example, if you can be able to send invite like 100 people, then if 20 people sign up, you earn $20. If you can be making $20 every day, I mean, to me this is cool. All right, so I continue to show you my dashboard, and later on I will walk you through on how to sign up on this Ozone.Ai. Someone might be asking, is this Ozone.Ai legit? Is it for real? Can I make $1 per referral? This is for real. People are cashing out. People are cashing out. I mean, if you are in in Africa, if you are in Nigeria, if you are in Ghana, all you need is Kiwi browser like I showed on the earlier start of this video. All you need is a Kiwi browser. Then you open up the Ozone.Ai using a VPN. Using a VPN is in case you want to do a survey, but myself, I'm not focusing on that survey because there is not much money to earn on survey. So if you are based in the USA, you'll be receiving survey, or if you use a VPN, you can use a VPN to be receiving survey. Now, this one is how to sign up. You see, you can sign up with your Google account, you can sign up with Facebook, you can sign up with Apple. For me, I signed up using Google account, or you can even sign up with your email. Then you do the captcha, you check the I'm not a robot stuff, then you are good to go. Just as simple as that. There is nothing hidden, there is no any other thing. Just share your link across and then get people to sign up using your link. Then you will begin to earn, and there is no any other thing there. So like literally, you if you want to earn extra, you can download the extension, the Ozone extension. I already have this extension in my Kiwi browser. Why Kiwi browser is recommended is that you can literally download and install the Ozone extension, so that while you browse, you earn. While you browse, you also earn. There are three methods of earning: installation of the Ozone Chrome browser. So we are here in the Google Chrome web store. Okay, look at the Ozone extension. I have already installed it. Look at it. I'm giving you a walkthrough of the Ozone Chrome extension. I like this Kiwi browser. I've been wondering, how am I going to install an extension on my Android phone, on my Android or mobile device. So using this Kiwi browser had made it possible for me to download extensions, and they are working fine. Just like this Ozone extension, you can see it is working fine. It is okay. Got it. See. Please try to watch this video till the end. Try to watch this video till the end so that you will not miss the important factors of this ozone. I have not concluded. I have not. The main focus of this ozone is at the end. So relax. See that this Ozone Chrome browser this Ozone extension is compatible with my device and it's working fine. This is the Kiwi browser. Look at it. I've had a lot of other extension, vidIQ extension, keyword everywhere extension. Okay, look at the Ozone extension. It's working fine. Alright. Just relax and wait till the end. Watch this video till the end so you don't got to miss any part of this video that will help you earn as much as you want. Guys, this platform Ozone.ai is literally is paying in our online make money Facebook group, make money online. You see, many people are posting their earnings screenshot from paper, and you can be one of them. So watch till the end. All right. Look at an overview of the Chrome, the Chrome Web Store. See, there are a lot of extension you can download, you can install. The Ozone, look at the Ozone.ai. Got it. It says added. I've already added it. Look at it. So I'm just giving you an overview of this Kiwi browser, what you can do with it. It's a very, very powerful browser, you know, and nowadays make money online, and people are making money through browsing, you know. Basically people browse and they don't earn, and the narratives has changed, especially this year 2022. You see, a lot of people are coming up with a lot of new idea that people could browse, you know, instead of earning money, instead of not making a dime while they browse. Now the narrative has changed. So a group of people have come up together that, see, why don't the users make this money while they browse along with their phone? So Ozone is one of them. There's another website, 5 billion sales is one of them. You might have heard of it. You can browse and install the extension, and while they track your browsing details, your browsing history, you get paid. So even if you don't like browsing, or you don't like people to view your data, you can turn this off. You can turn it off, you know. So same with Ozone. If you feel there's a threat, or you might be leaking out your data, then you can turn it off. You can turn it off. After all, the Ozone browser, the Kiwi browser have is encrypted. It is built with the encryption technology that your 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 browsing history are encrypted with a secret key that could not be tampered with. Right? So this is the walkthrough of Ozone. The facts. Who is behind Ozone? Ozone is a group of former insiders in Silicon Valley who were frustrated by the one-side model run by tech giants, get paid trillions of dollars to take data. See, at the end of the day, they say, how am I earning cash? Advertisers pay platforms like Facebook and Google to show you ads based upon your personal data without paying you for your data time and attention. We are turning that model upside down. Now advertisers will be paying for your time if your time is being spent online viewing ads. Here is how the trade works. You share your data, you share your products and brand preference to advertiser, and in exchange for viewing ad content, you will be paid a cash dividend of the advertising money that flows through Ozone. Start earning today. Check back here regularly for quick post surveys. That one is for survey. For myself is basing on the referral part, so I can earn my cool $1 per referral. If I could be able to refer like 20 people or 10 people, I'm sure $10, $20 per day. So this one is unique and legit. You say, what data am I sharing with advertisers? You see everything that exists from Ozone, your browsing history, what content you interact with, and your demographic settings. You're in total control of this and can select to remove it at any time, right? How do I get paid? You get paid with a link sent to the email address. That's your PayPal. They only accept PayPal. Put your PayPal account, though I will show you that at the end of this video. You say, how do I make more money? Make sure you are opted into emails and SMS so that we can get you instant cash and cash equivalent opportunity. Your data. What other can I share? Ozone is working on getting easy tools to share purchases from your favorite company, dollars, your brand value, e.g. budget made in the USA, and declare your favorite entertainment preferences or blah 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 blah. Alright, for survey part of it, you have to base in the USA. So we recommend using a USA VPN or an IP changer, or to be able to get access to more surveys. For myself, when I signed up, I used incognito mode. Then the site didn't actually open on Chrome, so I turned on incognito mode and I was able to sign up through my Google Authenticator account. So that's it. And now I can, after I downloaded Kiwi browser, I could sign up easily. I could sign in easily into my account. So that's it. If you want to get more, if you are outside of the USA, in Africa, in Asia, in third world country, you will need a VPN and a Kiwi browser for this method. Alright, you will need a VPN changer to change to USA so you could get more surveys. But literally myself, I want to focus on referral part, refer and earn. While I refer, I earn $1. That one is more easier for me. You can see that I've already linked my PayPal account. I've already linked my PayPal account. So that is it. Okay, this is a walkthrough. If you will be needing the Kiwi browser, I'm gonna drop the link, the arrow down in the description. I will drop the link for you to download. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the